The e-commerce revolution with AI. Are you ready to transform your e-commerce business? What if you could leverage the power of artificial intelligence to find winning products, build irresistible sales funnels, and create high-converting ads, all designed to scale your brand to over $10,000 a day? In this 30-minute guide, we'll reveal a proven, 3-step AI-powered framework that's changing the game for online entrepreneurs. Get ready to unlock unprecedented growth. Step 1. AI-powered product research. Discovering your next bestseller. The foundation of any successful e-commerce venture is a winning product. But how do you find it without endless guesswork? Our first step harnesses AI to pinpoint products with massive market demand and proven sales. We're talking about identifying products already generating hundreds of thousands of visits per month, products that are already selling. Imagine having an AI assistant that sifts through millions of data points, identifying trends, competitor performance, and customer interest. We'll show you how to use specific AI prompts to uncover validated D2C products, just like we did with successful supplement brands. This isn't about guessing, it's about data-driven precision. This step alone can save you months of trial and error, ensuring you invest your time and resources into products with a high probability of success. Step 2. AI-driven sales funnel creation. Crafting copy that converts. Once you have your winning product, the next crucial step is building a sales funnel that converts visitors into loyal customers. This is where AI truly shines in copywriting. Forget writer's block. AI becomes your ultimate copywriter. The secret lies in providing AI with the right context. We'll guide you through creating essential foundational documents to your brand's DNA, using ChatGPT. These documents are the bedrock for all your sales copy, ensuring consistency and effectiveness. While ChatGPT is excellent for foundational work, for creative and persuasive copywriting, we turn to Claude.ai. We'll demonstrate how to set up a custom Claude project, feeding it your foundational documents and even successful advertorial examples. This allows Claude to generate high-converting advertorial outlines and full advertorials tailored to your product. Imagine generating compelling sales copy in minutes, not days. This AI-driven approach ensures your sales funnel speaks directly to your ideal customer, overcoming objections and driving conversions. Step 3. AI-powered ad creation. Designing visuals that capture attention. With your product and sales funnel in place, the final step is to create captivating ads that draw in your target audience. And yes, AI can do that too. We'll show you how to leverage AI for stunning static image ads. The process begins by providing ChatGPT with the context from your foundational documents. This ensures your ad creatives are aligned with your brand messaging and product benefits. Next, we'll find a high-performing image ad from a successful brand, a proven winner. We'll then upload this ad to ChatGPT, prompting it to analyze the text and visual elements. Watch as ChatGPT extracts the essence of the successful ad and rewrites it for your brand, simultaneously generating a fresh, impactful image that resonates with your audience. This isn't just about replication, it's about intelligent adaptation for maximum impact. This AI-powered ad creation process allows you to produce high-quality, conversion-focused visuals at an unprecedented speed, giving you a significant edge in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Conclusion. Your path to e-commerce scalability with AI. You've just seen how a 3-step AI framework can take an e-commerce brand from zero to over $10,000 a day. From intelligent product research to compelling sales funnels and high-converting ads, AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for rapid growth. If you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business and want to apply these AI strategies with expert guidance, explore our mentorship program. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't just compete,